Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Canton local and long-distance movers near me. Any move more than 50 miles from your present location is considered long distance. When a move crosses the state boundary, we refer to it as an interstate move. But if you're relocating within the same state, we call that intrastate move. Regardless of the distance between your new home and your current place, 3 Movers is well-staffed and equipped to provide a stress-free and successful relocation. We have highly coordinated movers that create a detailed action plan and adhere to it precisely. Because our movers are diligent, organized, and intelligent, your valuables are in good hands. They correctly organize, carry, and place them in the trucks. Our long-distance moving vehicles are of the best quality and are always in excellent condition. We are the best option for relocations smaller than 50 miles. Although local relocations are simpler to perform, they need well-thought-out moving strategies too. Our local moving services are quick, reasonable, and efficient. Our clients attest to our flawless track record. We provide the most affordable local relocation, charging between $30 and $40 per hour. We have fantastic insurance coverage in place that protects us against damages throughout the process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Canton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.